back to Kingdom of Learning. So as I promised in my previous video that I'm going to provide you a free crash course. So today we are going to start the crash course of English for class 12. So before I start it, I want a promise from all of you that you are definitely damn serious about this course. So if you are serious, just leave a comment in the comment box. In my previous video, I asked you all to make a commitment in the comment box. Means that commitment will definitely show that you are actually serious. You actually want to start your preparation of English. So let's start now. So before I start, let me tell you what are we going to do and how are we going to start this course. So in this course, actually, first of all, we are taking poetry section. Today we are going to take this poem, the very first poem, My Mother at 66. I have already uploaded explanation of this poem both in Hindi and English. If you want detailed explanation, you can check it there. So here in this video, I'm going to tell you briefly what is this poem about, and after that, definitely I'm going to give you more than 30 questions from this short poem. So stay tuned for that. Don't skip the video. If you are really serious about your board examination, you will watch this video completely and you will send the answers. You will at least you will try to do the answers of those questions, because in the next video we will discuss the answers also. So now let us see what is this poem My Mother at 66 all about. So actually this poem is written by Kamala Das. As you can see, I have written here on the board. So what happens in this poem, My Mother at 66, actually you can understand from the title itself that the poet Kamala Das, she is really worried about the health and you can say departure of her aging mother. The age of her mother has got 66 years, and the poet Kamala Das is she really worried what would happen if she would lose her mother. How would she be able to live without her mother? That is all given in this poem. So actually when the poem starts, the poet tells us that one day she was going to the airport because she was going back to her home from her parents' home, and when she was sitting in the car, she looked at the face of her mother. She suddenly realized that her mother was aging very fastly. She was not keeping well. At any time her death could come. So very negative feelings come to the mind of the poet Kamala Das, but then she tries to divert those feelings, and she starts looking out of the car, and outside the car she finds that the scene, or you can say the action, was completely different, because she saw that the trees were sprinting, running fast, and happy children were running out of their houses. So all these things filled her mind with some happiness, some hope, and she just tried to divert her mind by this thing. And then they again reached at airport, and after the security check, again she looked at the face of her mother, and she felt very bad that she thought that it might be possible that after some time when she would come back, she might not be able to see her mother again. But she does not show her fear, her anxiety to her mother. Rather, she says, "See you soon, Amma." So actually at this point the poem comes to an end. Actually this poem has so many literary devices. Some difficult word meanings are there. Then there are many symbolic meanings also. There is so much in this poem actually. So that you can see from that the detailed explanation of my playlist of class 12. And now we will see the questions, and you cannot imagine that this short poem can have so many questions. So because MCQs are coming this year, so you have to prepare all those objective type questions. I'm going to give you objective type questions here. So let's start.
So let's see, these are the questions. Actually we are doing these questions in a live crash course that is going on. So first question is obviously name the poem and the poet. Second, where was the poet going? Who was sitting near the poet in the car? Then give the synonym of beside and give the antonym of the word beside. Next question is what is the meaning of doze? Then the mother was doze and open mouth. What does this suggest about her? Then there are so many figures of speech you should know from this poem. These are her face ashen like that of a corpse, young trees sprinting, merry children spilling out of their homes, late winter's moon, smile and smile and smile. So many more are coming, don't worry. If you know the answers, just try them. So next is merry children spilling out of their home. This we have done. Late winter's moon, smile and smile and smile. This also we have already done. So now what do you understand by the words? These words are there. You have to know their meanings. They may be asked in the MCQs. Corpse, printing, spilling, van, pain, ache. So these words you have to learn their meaning. So you have to try all these questions. Next question is, what did the poet realize with pain? Why did the poet try to divert her mind? Which thought did the poet put away? What will be the antonym of spilling? And why did the poet go through the airport security check? And why did the poet look again at her mother? So guys, try these questions, write their answers in your notebook, because in next video we will discuss their answers also, right? So you have to do this work seriously, otherwise it will not be possible for you to get good marks in your board exams. So let's see the next question. What will be the antonym of van? What was the familiar ache of the poet? Why did the poet smile at her mother? What was the childhood fear of the poet? Which two literary devices are used in See You Soon? So I think you know some answers, but many of the answers you don't know. But you have to find their answers, because before the next video comes, you must be ready with your answers so that you can check them. So now this is the test, which is means a weekly test which we give to our students in our live online classes. So here also you can see what types of questions I have given, like who is the poet of the poem My Mother at 66, then which literary devices, meanings, and all these things are given in the test. So just start studying seriously now. If you will do all these questions, I can assure you that if any question comes from this poem, you will definitely be able to do it. So do them, all of you.
So I hope all of you have seen these questions and you try to find them from your book. Open your book of English, try to find these answers. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. After doing your questions, you have to leave a comment, done. You have to send me done, so that I can be sure that my students are really doing very well. They are very serious, they are very disciplined. So see you in my next video. In next video we will be discussing the answers of all these questions. So stay tuned for that and subscribe to Kingdom of Learning, because we are going to cover up the complete syllabus of class 10th and 12th. Thank you everybody.